happy wife, happy life.
Sila guys, nagwawala na. Nilatag ko dyan si Brayden kasi naglalambing si kuya niya. Ayan, buti na lang nag-behave. Kanina, grabe ang iyak niyan. Ayan, nakakatulog na siya mag-isa. Ang kulit ng aking mga anakis. So yun guys, tingnan yung itsura ko, yung buhok ko, walang kaayos-ayos. Katatapos lang ng kanilang tantrums. I don't know if you called it tantrums or meltdown, but Dibo woke up and they're hungry. Tapos wala akong ready na bote, kaya Dibo got so upset na sobrang lakas ng sigaw nila at iyak. Pareho pa silang dalawa. And sometimes it's hard for me to feed them the same time kasi ang hirap din magpa-burp the same time. Tapos minsan gustong-gusto nila na mag-burp agad. Si Dawson, ayun no. Hi Dawson. Hey. Hi. Hi baby. Samantala si Brayden ito, naglalambing. Parang na ako mababaliw dito. Sabi ni Calvo magdi-day off daw siya bukas para I can have a break. Kasi wala akong tulog kagabi, sobra. Kasi na-mention ko nga na ayaw nila sa daddy nila sa gabi. Ayaw nila magpahawak sa daddy nila. Gusto lagi sa akin. Dalawa sila kaya salitan ako. So yun, wala akong tulog kasi hindi sila sabay matulog. Hi Kuya Dawson. Look at the big chubby cheeks. Hey baby, look at mommy. Baby, look at mommy. Hi. Hi Dawson. Hi baby. Hi baby ko. Ay mamansin. Oh no. Are you trying to poop? Bebe, halika dito. Hey, tingin ka dito. Hi, ano problema mo, ha? Anong problema ni Dawson? Ha? Anong problema ni Dawson? Ha? Anong problema ni Kuya? Upo. Anong problema mo? Ayan guys. Pinapatulog ko nang nakadapa si Dawson. But I'm watching him. Kaya wala akong magawa kasi kailangan kong bantayan. And he seems to like it. While little Brayden is sleeping here sa kanyang bouncer. He likes it here but hindi ko sila pinapatulog ng matagal dito. But he really likes it. Ayan guys, makakaligo na ako kasi nandito na si Daddy. Kaya lang, naririnig ko na si Brayden umiiyak. Han! Who's crying? Brayden? Watch Dawson. You need to keep an eye on him. Kasi nakadapa siya, pinadapa ko. Na-stress si Calvo kasi ayaw sa kanya magpakarga. What's going on? I'm only in the shower for 10 minutes. Oh my God!
This is what happens every time.
So Daddy found a video on YouTube how to calm a crying baby.
It worked some, but when he was hysterical, it didn't work. Maybe I needed to do it longer, but if he's not crying too hard, this actually works. I forget what.
Maybe because I hugged him first, so he's calmed down.
No, but he was crying when I picked him back up, though.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he was. He was starting to cry.
Yung guys, nagkakagulo sila. Si Daddy at si Brayden. Hindi na ako makapagbihis. Ganito lagi yung eksena ko kapag katapos sa shower. Pagkalabas ko na pagkalabas, naririnig ko silang dalawa. Yes, baby, what's your problem? It's Daddy.
It's okay. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Takpan mo mukha mo, Daddy. Ayaw ni Brayden makita ang mukha mo. Dawson is sleeping here.
Yeah, if you want milk, I'm it. There's nothing you can do, boy.
Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed.
Okay, hurry up. Can't you just wear the towel?
I
Nobody's
can't
coming over.
even enjoy my shower because I already heard Brayden crying so loud.
It didn't last long. I mean, it only started like the last 5 minutes of your shower.
Make sure you keep an eye on Dawson.
He's right next to me.
Ayan si Brayden, guys. Ewan ko kung bakit. Ayaw nila sa tatay nila. Baka paglaki nito kabaliktaran. Daddy's boys. Baka hindi na ako pansinin lagi na sa tatay nila. Sa ngayon, ako yung pinapahirapan. Ayaw talaga kahit kargahin, padidiin, iyak lang ng iyak pag yung tatay nila. Tingnan nyo, nakahiga lang naman siya, pero pag yung tatay nila, si Dawson, oh. Tulog na tulog. Han,
Yeah.
look at him. He's just laying there, so calm.
Brayden?
Yeah. Guys, we're working on Brayden's head, kaya pinapatagilid namin siya ng ganyan sa sopa.
Hey, baby.
And it's actually looking good now.
Hi.
And Daddy, don't make him cry. I'm just gonna be for 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, hurry.
Maglalagay lang ako, guys, ng Proactive sa mukha ko. Wala na akong suklay-suklay. Kasi baka makalimutan ko na naman. Anyway, starting today, I'm going to have a bedtime routine for the twins. Kasi I've been watching a lot of videos kung paano nila, mapatulog ng mahaba yung kanilang babies at night. Kasi malapit na akong pumasok sa work, so I want to train them. So, I'm going to give them a sponge bath mga 7 o'clock and then try to put them in bed. Patulogin sila ng 7 o'clock. I will try. Kasi hanggang ngayon si Dawson ay still sleeping. So, I'm trying to entertain Brayden para hindi siya makatulog. So, gigisingin ko na si Dawson pagkatapos ko dito. So, yun guys. Hindi na kami nakakapag... Dito yung dalawa. Hindi na kami nakakapag-vlog everyday kasi laging busy sa twins and bear with us. We're probably gonna start vlogging everyday again when they're settled down kasi right now they're just fussy. Hindi na sila gassy, talagang iyakin lang talaga sila. Siguro na-spoiled namin sa pagkarga. Kaya gusto lagi ko silang kinakarga. Kalbo is not helping me because they don't want him, but
I'm trying to help, but I make it worse.
I think they will change their behavior. Ngayon lang yan. Kasi ako yung lagi nilang kasama maghapon.
Today they seemed okay.
Yeah.
So maybe they'll be okay tonight. We're hoping.
So yun lang guys. I was looking at their baby pictures. They're gonna be 7 weeks old. Oh my God. They are growing so fast. I was like looking and watching videos, old videos. Kaya I like vlogging kasi I have these saved videos and I love watching and looking back, and ang bilis nilang lumaki. Right?
I don't know what you said.
I said they're going too fast.
Oh, yeah. But we're going to try to make an appointment somewhere and get their pictures taken. You know, and
I want them when they're like smiling and focus on the camera. Maybe 2 months. I
well,
think
maybe 3 months then.
3 months.
Yeah. Yeah, spit the
Ang
binky
cute.
out.
So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng laging nag-aabang ng aming vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye,
Bye everyone.